The macrame videos are being filmed on this wood background, so it's a very thin wood, and then I went to Michael's, I picked up the piece of wood, and again it's really quite thin, and I picked up a package of dowels because dowels are used as well, and then I picked up a package of clothespins just like you see. With the hot glue gun I actually glued these into position so they will not move, so I now have two options for being able to do my macrame. I can use my dowel, so when I did it I made sure that it would work, and is that I can just pinch down into one side, pinch down on the other, and the dowel fits right into the holding clips of the clothespins just like you see. So if I need to do dowel work, all I can just do then is at the end of the project I can just slide this out and then slide off my project. Also with the pins here I have the option to use the pins itself, so all I can just do is then take my strands that I want to play with, and if I want to tie knots or whatever with the, like if I wanted to do braiding, all I would just do is just kind of pin it under position, into position with the clothespins like so, so then I have a firm place. The trick about doing any kind of macrame is the item moving around on itself, so if you're gonna get really serious into this, this is a very small investment, and again it's very crafty and it's really quite cool. So you have to make sure that you anchor down your project, which makes sense for the project that you're going to do.